back here. You see the ground, it ain't that red clay stuff. Go ahead. Oh, she talking about go this way. Nah, she said she going this way. Now I'm gonna walk up, cause I need to spray before I go. I just need to spray that bug stuff around one more time. You wanna get on? Nah, she just recording. She doing Facebook. She recording. I see. Hey man, it's gonna be nice when you done, man. It really is. I want to get a good view of everything like it is. So when I come back, now I'm talking about all this like it is. Do what it look like. You almost tear a tree down. I would say you gonna almost have to tear that tree down. Go ahead. Yeah, he said he's gonna open it all the way up. Yeah, when it's all done, it's gonna be all open. Yeah, he told me, he said, man, you gonna be able to walk to that lake when I'm finished. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank y'all for watching. I'm recording a lot of stuff. I'm gonna put a good video together. And y'all go to our YouTube. We're putting a YouTube page together too, where we're gonna collect all these videos and they're gonna be in order, week 1, week 2, everything. We're gonna give y'all the information today. Back in the woods, you see, the woman and the kids and the dogs and me.
Hey auntie, I will.
We make our own whiskey and our own smoke too. There ain't too many things these old boys can't do. My grandpa taught me how to live off the land. It's taught him to be a businessman. Look, I want y'all to all remember this. I can catch catfish from dusk to dawn. Is that the right word?
I don't know what
Alright, now he say, I can kick, whatever it is. I'm a country boy, I can survive. Country folks can survive. I had a good friend in New York City. Never called me by my... Nah, I ain't from it long. I'm from down here. Yeah, what y'all talking about? Yo. So, my brother out there doing his thing. So this is what it look like now, y'all. If y'all can remember the first videos, it's just he clearing it out. You can see the house now from the road, from right here. They talking about I had somebody can buy the tree too. Okay. What's going on, family? So we came down here today. It's a Wednesday. I think this is the 22nd or so. I forget what day it is. I'm sorry. But we came down here and I needed to put a dehumidifier in the house because it's right there by that pond, so it's kind of humid. So it's real humid. So, and it's just been sitting there. I think it's been sitting there for a while too. So we put a dehumidifier in there. I put some tomcat mouse traps around the house. I haven't seen any, but I don't want to see any. So I put some of those around. I'm about to spray. I got this bug spray that I've been spraying for years. The guy turned me on to it. It really works. It's called Demon, and I think this is Demon Max. I use the Demon Max. I've been using it for a while, man. If you got bug issues, especially like spiders and all that stuff, look up Demon bug spray and just look up Demon Max. It's gonna be in a liquid jug. So I'm gonna spray and then I'm out of here. I don't even have my truck. I got Mia let me use her car. My daughter let me use her car to come down here because my truck, I had to get it something done to it. But anyway, yeah, man, subscribe to the YouTube channel, y'all. Subscribe, like, share, follow us. We're gonna show y'all this transformation of this property from the beginning to the end. Y'all was with us when we bought it, when we closed on it. Y'all been with us from week 1. This is week 2. We'll be back down here Friday of this week, getting more footage and content, doing more work. We have some contractors coming. We're gonna get ready to give a price on the renovation of the house, adding stuff like that. We're gonna put lights out here, security cameras out here. He's building the road. We're gonna have a road from all the way up. We're gonna build a road all the way up and clear it out. So it's gonna be a great adventure, man. You guys follow along. This is gonna be really great. I'm telling you, man. Thank y'all for watching. Reese over there doing a Facebook Live, man. Y'all probably see this live, but thank y'all for watching, man. I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. This is Larry, man, and Teresa. Peace. Oh.